Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. Here's how to change the cell size in Google Sheets. Now, technically, there isn't a single cell size setting. A cell's size is determined by two things: the column width, the row height. Let me show you. Step 1. Change the column width. By default, our cells are long and wide. That's because the default column width is typically 100 pixels. Go up to the column header, for example, column A. Click the letter A. Right-click and choose Resize column. You'll see it's currently set to 100 pixels. Let's change that to 200. Click OK. Now we've doubled the width of the cell. Step 2. Change the row height. Now let's change the height. Go to the row number on the left side. Right-click and choose Resize row. You'll see it's usually set to Fit to Data. Instead, choose Specify row height. Let's type 50. Click OK. Now our cell size is based on 200 pixels wide, 50 pixels high, so your cell size is really just a ratio of column width and row height, making perfect squares. We can adjust this further. If we resize the row height to 200, click OK. Now we have a 200 by 200 cell, a perfect square. Now I'll be honest, squares can look a little strange in spreadsheets, but sometimes they're useful. Creating pixel art, designing dashboards, building grid-based layouts, creating checkbox boards. Just remember, column width plus row height equals cell size. That's all there is to it. If you want more Google Sheets tips, tricks, and how-tos, subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. Check out one of these videos next. It might just be your next favorite Google Sheets trick. I'll see you in the next one.